If you're a foodie looking for ways to stay happy in a relationship with a picky eater, I've got some tips for you because I've been there. I'm a professional chef and sommelier. I love going out to restaurants and trying new dishes. 25 years ago, I fell in love at first sight on a blind date. Then, on our second date, I found out he was a very picky eater. I didn't want to give up such a great relationship match just because of a palate mismatch. So I dove in and I figured out some ways to keep us both happily fed without sacrificing who we were. If this sounds helpful to you, I would love it if you subscribed and joined me on my journey to make life more palatable for us foodies and our picky eaters.